I am Dr. Pachol, General Secretary of Jumpuihill Mizo Convention, and I'm here representing all the 5 NGOs of Jumpuihill. Today, I am pleased to announce that we are going to have a strike on 26th of February 2020 from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. in demands for the following 3 points. Number 1 is settlement of the displaced Mizoram Brus outside of Kanchanpur subdivision. This has been our repeated request to our government of Tripura and also up to the Union Ministry that for the sake of peace and for the welfare of every sections of the society, the Mizoram displaced Brus people should be settled outside of Kanchanpur subdivision. Despite those repeated requests, we have just received an order from our SDM here in Kanchanpur that the Brus will be settled in 3 locations in Kanchanpur subdivision. And one of the locations where 800 families are to be settled is in close proximity with Jumpuihill. And it touches our traditional Jhumland. So, despite those requests, since the government is not heeding to our requests, we decided to go for a strike. Number 2.